Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. In our last video, we introduced a splash and welcome screen. If you are new around here, make sure to give it a watch. Today our focus is on a simplicity as a craft a clean and efficient login screen using SwiftUI. We have handpicked a design from the web, so let's roll up the sleeves and start coding. Join on me this exciting journey into SwiftUI. First off, let's initiate our project, give it a name, pick an interface, add an identifier and smoothly proceed the next step. It's as simple as that. We have successfully set up our project. Move to asset. I have already grabbed a few from the web and replace them as an edit touch. Let's integrate a custom button view struct into our project. Check out the common struct in our last video. Let's start by creating a sleek splash screen. Add a simple image on the center of view. Firstly, we need to add an image with the name of 15. Need to allow resizable and add the frame of the width and height. You can change as per your no more hard coding. Let's make it flexible. I have got a handy reusable struct ready. Just drop it under the splash view body, keeping it simple and clean. Move forward to create a SwiftUI file. Go to the File menu, select New and then File. Choose SwiftUI view from the template. Give your new file that meaningful name, for example, interview. Simply delete and comment out the text. Intro view by adding a navigation view jet stack with a background color. The navigation view provides a navigation structure and jet stack is used to layer view on the top of each others, and here it sets the background color. The image view is added to the vstack with the name of your image asset. Vstack with an image view at the center and space for layer purpose you can modify your code. Inside the vstack, we use spacer to push content to the top and bottom, creating space for the image view in the center. To add a navigation link button with a destination and title below the bottom of your interview. Navigation link is added below the bottom of vstack to create a button that navigates to the next view when tapped. Next view is a separate structure representing the content of the next screen. The button is styled with padding and a white color, blue text and a round corner for visually appearing appearance. The title of below button provides additional information or context. Customize the button and title appearance according to your design preference. To add another navigation link button with a different title and color, you can duplicate the button code and make the necessary changes. So we are done with intro screen design. Let's move on the design a login screen. Same way, go to the file menu, select the new and then file, choose the SwiftUI view from the template and give your new file name. We need to add a background color under the jet stack and including an image under the V stack to login screen, same as the interview screen. We need to set up the form interface using SwiftUI involving text field for entering the username and password. Let's break down the code. So firstly, we create a outer VStack form container. VStack create a vertical stack to organize the form elements with a space between them. Now create a text view with text title. Create a SwiftUI text view with a specific title. This is the main text content that will be displayed. Add the modifier custom structure with font, name, size and color. If you want to space on the top, add the padding with the 20 value and add the frame width. Create the same text view with text description. I have already a custom view structure for your text styling. You can refactor the code, it make cleaner and more understandable. In summary, the outer V stack organizes the content vertically and within it. The inner V stack contains two header views with specific styling. The padding around the inner view stack provides the additional spacing for its content. The header view seems to be a custom view used to display header and title with specified font style, size, and colors. We need to set up the form interface using SwiftUI involving text field for entering the username and password. Let's break down the code. So firstly, we create a outer vstack form container. Vstack create a vertical stack to organize the form elements with a space between them. Next, we need to create a username text field section. The first inner vstack setup a section for the username text field. Divider, add a horizontal line below the text field and its height is set to 1 point. The next password text field section, the second inner vstack set up the section for the password text field similar to the username section. Now moving on button section. Set up a button within a horizontal stack for handling the forget password action in the SwiftUI form. Button components. Button is a SwiftUI component that represents a tapped button. The action parameter is currently set to a empty clause, no action specified yet. The label parameter contains the content of the button, which is a text view displaying forget password. The text view is styled using a custom modifier, custom text am. Stack for button elements. A stack is used to create a horizontal stack. The button is placed within the stack. Spacer is used before the button to push to the right to left, left to right horizontal stack. This can be useful for aligning the button to the right components. Next, set up a bottom button for the sign up action using the Z stack to create a circular background with the arrow icon and the text label. The jet stack is used to overlay two views, a circular and an image contain the arrow icon. The circle is filled with the theme color and has a fixed width and height of 60 points, creating a circular background. The image display the arrow right system icon set to a little font size and colored with the white. Add the padding and space for vertical spacing. At the bottom sign up button. The button is a setup with an action, currently an empty closure and a label. A label contains a text view with the text sign up if you are new, styled using the custom modifier custom text m. Add the padding with the bottom and 30 points. Background color is a set the background of the view to white. This can be useful to providing the consistent background color. Corner radius that rounds the specified corners top left and top right of the view with a corner radius of 40 points. The create the round corner effect at the top of the view. Navigate bottom padding. Adds the navigate bottom padding to the view. Navigate padding shift the content upward. In the case it seems the adjusting the position of the view and moving it up by 32 points. This navigate padding is often used to fine tuning the layout. I hope you enjoyed the login view screen flow. I would love to hear your feedback on the design and functionality. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot.